Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene and the app. Install Motion Apple V1, 2 or later, and allow camera and microphone access. Once done, mount your device on a tripod to prevent 0.5 degrees drift and set lighting to reduce noise. Launch a new project and pick the only way capture mode at 30 FPS. This mode locks motion paths for consistent tracking. Now press the record button and keep movements smooth, short, deliberate motions, yield cleaner tracking data for the next steps. Once you have raw capture, refine tracking by adding point markers or high-contrast tape. This gives the algorithm reliable anchors. Next, tune sensitivity. Choose low sensitivity for steady scenes to avoid jitter, or raise it for fast action to keep paths continuous. Then create soft masks to isolate your subject. Feather 3 to 6 pixels to blend edges. While you work, scrub the timeline and watch for drift. If a marker slips, retrack only that segment to save time. Finally, export your sequence in H.264 for web or ProRes for editing, selecting a bitrate of 10 to 25 Mbps for H.264 to keep quality without huge files. If you notice jitter, make sure to rerun the stabilization pass and set smoothing between 0.5 and 1.5 seconds for subtle correction. And if frames dropped during capture, re-encode the source at the original frame rate and re-import. This preserves timing. A key troubleshooting tip: always inspect a 5-second test clip before full export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.